Hey guys, welcome back to the BondFitLife channel. I'm Kay, and today I'm super excited to dive into something I'm really passionate about: how to transition from solo workouts to working out with your partner. Now, I get it. You might be thinking, I've got my routine down. Why change it up? Or I don't want to slow my partner down. But let me tell you, working out as a couple isn't just about fitness. It's about connection, motivation, and building something amazing together. So, grab your partner, and let's talk about how to make that shift from me to we in your fitness journey. First, let's talk about why you should even consider working out together. When you work out as a couple, you're not just getting fit, you're building a stronger relationship. Think of it this way: you're motivating each other, holding each other accountable, and creating shared goals. Plus, it's fun. You get to spend quality time together, and honestly, when you're sweating it out side by side, you'll feel a whole new level of connection. And don't worry if you and your partner are at different fitness levels. That's part of the beauty of it. You'll learn to adapt and support each other in ways that go beyond just the workout itself. So, how do you go from working out alone to working out as a team? I've got a few tips to make the transition smooth and enjoyable. First, start slow. If you're used to your solo workouts, it might feel a bit weird at first. Start with light activities, maybe some partner stretches or a fun walk together. You don't have to jump straight into intense workouts. Get used to the idea of exercising together without putting too much pressure on yourselves. Second, choose simple exercises. Pick exercises that don't require a lot of coordination right away. Things like squats, lunges, or even bodyweight exercises are perfect for beginners. Over time, you can move into more complex partner workouts, but for now, keep it simple. And third, communicate. This one is huge, guys. Talk to each other. Share what you like and what you don't like about certain exercises. If you need to modify a move, let your partner know. The more you communicate, the smoother your workouts will go. And it'll bring you closer together too. Now, let's talk about some common challenges. Sometimes, one partner might be more experienced or more fit than the other, and that can feel intimidating. Trust me, I've been there. The key is to remember that this is a journey you're on together. Don't compare your progress. If one of you is more advanced, be patient and encouraging. For the other partner, don't feel pressured to keep up. The whole point is to support each other and grow together. Also, remember, mistakes are okay. You might fumble a bit at first. Maybe you'll do a move wrong or get out of sync, but that's all part of the fun. Laugh it off and keep going. All right, now that you've got the basics down, here are a couple of fun, easy exercises to try with your partner. 1. Partner squats. Stand back to back and squat down together. This one's great for building leg strength and teamwork. 2. Plank high fives. Get into a plank position facing each other and give each other a high five after every rep. It's a fun way to keep things interactive while working on your core. 3. Medicine ball toss. If you've got a medicine ball, stand a few feet apart and toss it to each other. It's perfect for working your arms and coordination together. So, there you have it. Some simple tips to help you transition from working out alone to building a fitness routine as a couple. Remember, the goal here isn't just to get fit, but to grow together and strengthen your bond. If you're ready to take on the challenge and start working out with your partner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more couple-focused workouts, tips, and routines. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay strong together.